Hi guys, it's Nunu and I'm here in Home with you. And as you know, Home serves as a bulletin board for our English 102 College Reading and Composition 2 course. Okay, so what do we have on our bulletin board? First, we have my Zoom office hours, Tuesdays and Thursdays, 1 to 2 p.m., and by request via the Canvas inbox over here. And the directions, how to access Zoom office hours. Click on this URL during office hours right here. Okay, so don't hesitate to video conference with me during my office hours if you need to. I'll be here keeping those hours. Okay, we also have our to-do list for this week, which is week 4 in modules, May 4th through the 10th, 2020. We have 2 items, the Joyce Carol Oates 1966 short story, Where Are You Going? Where Have You Been? 1,000 words, 120 points. We also have Online Journal 3, The Bell Jar by Sylvia Plath, chapters 7 through 9. All right, I am going to go ahead and click on modules, and I'm going to remind you of the due dates for our discussion assignment. They are right here in part 1 and also in part 2. If you think you cannot make this due date and you have a verified emergency situation, please notify me over here in inbox. Okay, I'm scrolling up. I'm clicking back on modules, and I'm going to go into our last assignments, which were Junot Díaz's 2012 short story, The Cheater's Guide to Love, and Online Journal 2. So I'm clicking on one of the assignments, the Junot Díaz story. I'm going to scroll down, and I'm going to remind you that below your essay thread, your discussion essay, you'll have notes from me that you need to answer, and you'll also have notes from your peers. And these notes, of course, are evaluations of your work. You do need to respond to these evaluations to receive points, and you have all day today, Monday, May 4th, to respond to my questions and to evaluations by your peers. Okay, I'm going to click back on Home and remind you of those Zoom office hours I have. And of course, if you have any questions and concerns, I'm here in inbox. Let's have a good week, and I hope everybody is well.